This is Project CMS, an E.C.D Custom Defender 110 crew cab built to our client's exact specification. CMS is painted in full gloss Santorini black with black accents all round. CMS sits on 20-inch Cairn Mondale wheels with BFG all-terrain tyres. This 110 crew cab features a 4-point roll cage up front and a Bison 4-point rear roll bar. We also have a front LED light bar, black steering guard and a classic front bumper with daytime running lights. Inside, CMS features a Momo standard sport steering wheel with mole bummer gauges, 2 Recaro orthopeds for the front and rear. Each seat is wrapped in a vertical diamond Garrett Torino caviar leather stitched together in royal blue. CMS is powered by our LS3 engine with 6-speed automatic transmission. This 110 also features our array of modern elements such as Apple CarPlay, wireless charging, rear AC and access to USB ports. This 110 crew cab is simply stunning and one of the best head turners we've had here at ECD. The blue accents, especially on the Brembos, pop superbly against the black. This is for sure one of the finest looking 110 crew cabs out there.